Why does Mercie J suggest servicing your automatic transmission on a regular basis? Hi, I'm Rick Smith. Hope this is informational to you. So you're going to see a lot of different recommendations on automatic transmission servicing, and you're also going to hear some horror stories. Some people say don't ever flush it out because it can cause damage. Well, at Mercie J, what we do is we only use fresh, clean fluid. We do not use harsh chemicals, so we do not damage the transmission. But if you hear people talk about never servicing them, there's some risks involved in that too. So in an automatic transmission, at this point, almost all cars have a lot of electronic controls. So this is actually a set of speed sensors out of a transmission that we had to replace. There's an input, an intermediate, and an output shaft speed sensor. All of these are magnetic. You also have solenoids for shifting and things like that. Those are all magnetic. So if we have fine particles of metal in there, we can end up collecting on those magnets, and we can actually restrict passages and cause problems. The challenge is none of this stuff is easy to fix. So, a job like those solenoids is a $1,000 job. It could be even more. So we suggest that the first service on it be somewhere under 5 years, 50,000 miles. And then after that, about every 36,000 miles, and you will keep that fluid nice and fresh and clean in that transmission, and you will help protect the gears, the clutches, and especially all the electronics. So I hope this helps you understand a little bit of why we suggest regular transmission services. If you want more details, talk to our service advisors. We can tell you exactly what precautions we take to make sure that it's done right. So thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.